Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Flow. You will go to settings here. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window, you will search about the application of Flow and you will click. Here in this window you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.